everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And we have an unboxing today. I'm so excited. This is from the Real. And this is... it kind of ticks off a box that I wanted ticked off. That sounds weird. About something I wanted. But it's something that I basically that I already have, but yet that I don't have. So I saw this and I was watching it. I think I said that from the Real. And there was a couple things about it that intrigued me that I wasn't 100% sure of. So this is going to be like a surprise to me too, some of this. Because if you've looked at the Real, sometimes they have some bags that they take really good pictures of. And then other bags they don't. Or they'll take pictures of something and they'll be like, okay, for example, when I bought that orange Marley up there on the shelf, they said that was red.
The bag next to it's red.
Right. Yeah. No, the orange one. They said was red. So I bought it hoping that it was orange. And
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Right. And luckily it was orange. So I was really lucky. This one they noted was orange.
So it's purple.
But oh, I didn't know it came in a box. Okay. They noted it was orange, which would be fine with me, but it did not look orange in the pictures. And yeah, there was just a few things about the pictures I wasn't sure about, but it was something that I've been wanting for a long time, but I never got. Any guesses where it's from? I'm not going to say guess down in the comments below.
It's from the Real.
Right, but it's also from Fendi. Look at what is this? This slip around the box. Is that like, oh, just so you know, if you tear it open, we know you opened it? I don't know if that's weird.
You gotta slide it off.
Or did it come from Fendi and they returned it to the Real like this? I don't know. But now it's off.
Uh-oh, now you own it.
Nope. This case... I'm just super excited about this because it's something that, again, I've wanted for a long time, but yet I already have. And you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here's the packaging. I mean, the little envelope is this care card. Wow, this is nicer than I thought. Okay, here's, what is this?
Get out of jail free card.
Yeah, just kind of says what it is, I guess. Which doesn't mean much to me because the things look like Greek. The shortenings of the words are hard. So, oh geez, it does come with like packaging. Another one of the cards says the same thing. Okay, it must have been, it's got euro on here. It was originally 590 euro. I did not pay that much for it.
Oh boy.
Excuse me.
Here we go.
I know. And here she is.
That's orange.
Yeah, it looked pinkish in the thing, in their picture, so I wasn't sure, but it said orange. And the reason I wanted this is I have been wanting a Fendi leather piece for so long because I'm using my canvas one right now, and then I have my sequined little one, but I did not have just some regular leather from them. So I wanted something like that. Man, this just has everything. So, see, this is a bag.
Oh, Lord. Winnie style.
Yeah, it's got, oh, here's the real thing in it. But, look at this. This is pretty, this chain. But I have always wanted to know, one of the things that have been on my wish list for quite a while is a Fendi baguette. And I just wanted to know how the Fendi leather felt. And I wasn't sure how much I wanted to commit to it because it seems like what you find on the market isn't the baguettes, or by the time you find the baguettes, the prices aren't the worst, but the bags look like they're old and out of shape. And so I thought, well, maybe if I got this, it might scratch the itch. And then I could, if it didn't scratch the itch, at least I'd be able to know what the leather was like. Here, I'm trying to get it closed when there's nothing in it. That's proving to be a little difficult. Oops. Let's see.
There's a problem between the chair and the bag.
Push up. There we go. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. So it's got the little thing here so you can use it like as a bag charm. And then it's got the strap.
Oh, Lord.
So you can cross-body it. For me, my hair's getting in the way. But
I have that happen.
yeah, I'm sure you do. But oh my gosh, I just love this. The leather is good. Now this kind of makes me want one. But then again, I don't want one that's going to get all bent out of shape. This is so cool.
That orange and the texture reminds me of the old school Nerf footballs.
Oh, I could see that. I'll just call this one Nerf. This is awesome. So, I'm really pleased. I was watching it. I was watching the price kind of go down and go down. Let's give it a good spin here. So, here's the front, the side, the back, the side.
No feet.
No feet. Snap opening. And then inside has a spot for a card holder and your items. But what I think is the coolest is the bag strap is removable. There are little clips here so you can remove it, which I really like because you can't do that with the other ones. So you could use this for a different bag if you wanted to. But I really like, because mine I use primarily for a keep all when I use this, and or I maybe use it as a bag charm on a different bag, and I always worry about the strap in there. But now I can take it off. This is really cool. I am really excited about this. So, yeah, everything on it's perfect. Like I said, it was less than retail, and I had been watching it on the real, and it went down a couple times, and I had never seen a leather mini baguette like this at this price before. So when it finally went to where I was happy with it, I'm like, I'm gonna get it. And I had no idea that this came with everything. I mean, everything you could ever want with it. It's got like I wonder, does this say what year? I'm sorry, I'm still under the weather somewhat. 2020, it looks like this is from.
So it's a COVID bag.
And oh, no wonder I'm coughing. And here's the original price. So you know darn well they've obviously went up quite a bit since then. I think they're now closer to 1,000. But in 2020, it looks like they were $590. So yeah, this is my newest bag. I could say this is my newest bag. This is my newest bag charm. And this is my newest SLG. Because it really hits all those items. So this is I cannot believe it came with everything.
That's whack.
I am just shocked. And it didn't even say it was in excellent condition. I would say this is like new condition and comes with everything. I don't know. Well, every once in a while I hear that you got to watch the real because they mismark stuff. And, well, either way
Doesn't have any
high,
stank to it, does it?
No, it's not.
You can't smell anyways.
It just smells like leather. And I am stuffy yet, but I am really pleased. So there we go. I'm so excited by unboxing for today. Let's see, what do I have coming up?
Groundhog Day?
No, yeah, I have another bag coming.
Oh boy.
Stop it. And then it seems like there was something else too that I was pretty oh yes, I have my Murakami stuff yet. I did actually text my the sales associate I got a hold of today.
We call him the SA in the biz.
To find out what's happening with that, so I can show you what I got from there yet. And yeah, another bag coming, and I might have another one. I'm debating yet. Well, there's one I really want, but stop rolling your eyes. And so yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I put out this type of content, luxury and contemporary, mainly bags content, on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every other Thursday, I put out a book-related video, either showing some books that I've gotten or talk about books I've read or I'm reading. Then every Monday or Tuesday, I will do a bag swap where I'll swap from one of my beautiful bags into another one of my beautiful bags and switch out the SLGs that I have in them so you can kind of see them. And what I've been doing is I kind of give you a little bit of a thoughts, opinion on the items that I've used, about the bags, and the bags that I've used, some goods and bads about it.
Some goods and bads?
Yep, along with the SLGs and how they work, just because I think it's really important. I never used to watch when people would do like bag recommendations or go over how they like to critique bags, until I finally bought some myself that had pieces to them that I wasn't really the biggest fan of. And then I thought, well, it probably would have been a good idea to have watched a few videos about these before I purchased them. So now I think that can be helpful. So I do give that information when I'm doing my bag swaps. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And there I usually put up a reel every week, usually showing my bag of the week and the SLGs that fit in there. And then occasionally, if my outfit happens to match the bag that I'm wearing, I may do a whole shot just so you can see how the bags look on me. I don't do that really ever on purpose. So I know a lot of people match their outfits to their bags. I just don't do it. Maybe if I was still going into the office every day, I would think about it. But now that I only go in probably once every week or every 2 weeks, I don't. And so I just wear what I want to wear. And that makes me happy. I think that's everything I have for you today. So thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Please leave a comment down in the comments box below. I really like when you do that. Helps me get to know you all a little bit better. I do answer all my comments. I'm going to cough. I apologize. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Sorry.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.